Video 512, Hashicorp Terraform number 2. Let's go into the gallery. And yes, the gallery is number 3, even though we're on video 2, because I screwed up my numbering. The numbering here starts at 0, and the numbering here starts at 1. Oh well. So at https://app.terraform.io/app/kanjicoder/workspaces/new. Now, this kanji coder will be the name of whatever your, what do they call it? Not corporation, organization. Your organization name right here. My organization is Kanji Coder, hence the URL here. So it's going to be different for you. On the side, we have workspaces selected in this little side panel here. And then on the right side of this workspaces new, we have choices: version control, CLI workflow, or API workflow. Now, we want to pick CLI-driven workflow, or at least that's what I'm going to go with. I hope it's the right decision. I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, so it's going to bring us to the next step. So after choosing the type being CLI workflow, it's going to bring us to configure settings, and we have workspace name and description. For this, I'm going to fill out workspace name kanji here, and then a big rant about why I'm doing that. So workspace _ name kanji. I'm doing this so I can connect the dots. If you want to understand why, you can read this little rant here. It's kind of like with spammers who sell off your email address, right? Well, if you say that your first name is first name _ person who might sell off my email address.com, then when you get a email called, hey, hello, sir, person who might sell off my email address.com, bam, you can connect those fucking dots. So doing this right here is to help me connect those fucking dots. Okay, so we're gonna hit create workspace, right? Create workspace, this little modal pops up. It'll fade away, I think, or just click the X. And now we're at this URL, app kanji coder workspaces workspace _ name _ kanji. And from here, I don't know where to go next, but that's the end of this video. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist on Ninja Coder. You are on this playlist on Kanji Coder. Source code is here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder working on Atomic Ivy MMO.